Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome by DOVEL TV. Today we are unboxing the Epson ehqb1000, a top-class laser projector that's perfect for any home cinema. With a brightness of 3300 lumen and a dynamic contrast ratio of 5:1 and auto-tone mapping for HDR images in 4K, this projector delivers exceptional image quality even in rooms with some ambient light. At DOVEL, the home cinema specialist of Destelbergen and surrounding areas, you can find this versatile projector at the best conditions. Thanks to its 2.1x zoom and generous vertical and horizontal lens shift, it's easy to set up and position, and it's available in both white and black. In our next vlog on DOVEL TV, we'll show you even more footage and personally explain why the Epson ehqb1000 laser projector is a must-have. Be sure to keep following us on our YouTube channel DOVEL TV. Thank you to subscribe. In the description of this vlog, I can already direct you to our webpage for this Epson laser projector, where you will find useful information.